This Volkswagen Virtus comes with a factory active audio setup, but we are taking it several steps further. The first step is treating the front doors with Morel 2.2 mm damping sheets. This reduces vibration, improves mid-bass response and creates a stronger foundation for the speakers. Up front, we are installing the Morel Kinetic 602HE component speakers. For the rear passengers, the Morel Kinetic 602C coaxials, delivering a balanced and natural sound experience. At the heart of the system is the Morel MDSP 8x6A and 8-channel DSP with a built-in 6-channel amplifier. This allows us to fine-tune every speaker individually for better staging, clarity and overall musicality. When we are adding a DSP to such a car, we have to analyze the input signal and de-equalize it so that we get a clean signal into the DSP. To analyze the input signal and de-equalize it, we are using the Helix AMi. This will let us know what frequencies are given to what speakers, how much boosting is there, how much cutting is there, and we have to equalize it for a clean flat signal. So the factory system comes with a spare wheel subwoofer with a 6-inch bass driver. For bass duties, we are adding the JBL Bass Pro Hub spare wheel subwoofer hidden neat inside the spare wheel area. It delivers powerful low frequencies without sacrificing any boot space. All wiring is done using OFC power and speaker cables to ensure reliable performance and maximum efficiency. The final step is the RTA tuning and DSP calibration, because great equipment only performs at its best when it's properly tuned. The result is a factory-looking system with dramatically improved clarity, better vocals, stronger bass, and a much wider soundstage. If you're looking for premium sound without changing the OE head unit, this is exactly how it's done. MotoRogue car audio, engineered for those who truly love music.